Hi, I'm Tony again, and this week's tip is going to be showing you how to change Windows color theme to give you a better contrast. Okay, as you can see, Windows has that glass theme going, and what that does is basically you'll see through Windows. Like in the taskbar down here especially, we could see part of that desktop in there, and when you have applications down here open and that, you'll have a hard time finding them with the glass on. Now when ZoomText is running, we turn off that glass and we go to the basic
ZoomText enabled.
To the basic theme where there's no glass. However, you still have the multicolor effect where it's like a grayish blue to darker grayish blue, and it's still a little bit hard to see. Not as bad as when you're in aero glass, but it's still not as easy. And I'm going to show you here what to do to fix that. What we'll do is you just put the pointer on the desktop away from all your icons, and you're going to click on the right mouse button.
Context menu open.
And it opens the context menu. The last thing on that list says
shortcut user.
Personalize. We're going to go there.
Name Windows 7.
Okay, what that does is open the personalization window, which you can get to in another way by just going to the Start menu and clicking Control Panel and finding the icon that says Personalization. In there you'll have the themes, and as you can see here, the Aero theme, Windows 7 Aero theme, is the one selected. ZoomText, like I said before, ZoomText will actually go back to using the Aero basic theme that doesn't have a glass effect, but that's still not good enough. So you scroll down in that window to get to the section where it says basic and high contrast themes, and in there you could select the Window Classic theme, or you can also select the perhaps the high contrast black that's preferred by a lot of our customers, where it gives you a black background and a bright text. First I'm going to select the Window Classic theme. So here I just clicked it, and when you do that, automatically it gets applied. You don't have to click apply or anything. And here's my task bar. It's one solid color. It doesn't have that fading effects anymore. It looks more like how it looked in your Windows XP schemes. It's a lot easier to see. You can further customize this by going to the icons down below here. There's one that says Window Color Windows Classic, and that's basically your familiar old way of setting things up in your Windows XP, where you can customize each item by itself and change its color and font even. You know, by going there you can actually customize it to exactly how you like it. Another thing I mentioned a little bit ago about high contrast black, so I'll go there. This is what it would look like. You get black. The taskbar is just a black bar too, and everything that's text or images is just bright over the black background. It's a lot easier to see. Another thing actually I should also mention is you can also choose high contrast white for those of you who like to have white background. Or if you don't like white background, you can at this point just turn on the ZoomText color filter, and that kind of flips it backwards, and now you get a nice contrast with bright text and a dark background. And that's this week's tip.